You guys know that woman of mine's always hungry, right? So she's sent me on a hunting expedition to get something to eat. You guys see anything out there? Maybe some rabbit or something. I don't know. What do you think? Coyote? Maybe I feed her some coyote? Oh, there's something right there. There it is. Oh. I think I got it. Let's go check it out. I think it's over here behind this bush. Oh, yeah, there it is. Pull out my trusty knife. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, now we're talking. Oh, I think there's another one in here. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. The animal has been gutted and cleaned, and we're gonna eat now. All right. Everybody knows the secret with the game meat is how you age and marinate it, you know. So here's how we're gonna, a little bit of the Montreal steak here. Anybody knows me well probably knows I always keep a small bottle of Jack Daniels for medicinal purposes in cooking. And as you do know me, you know that first things first, this thing has to go. Alright, so then we got a little of a good old PBR there. There we go. Little Jack Daniels for the steak. Little Jack Daniels. For the chef. Oh yeah, good spirits this morning now. Small bottle of Jack, a little bit of McCormick's, can of beer. Let that sit there, marinate for a few hours, and we'll be grubbing. All right, that's John Lope's secret recipe. It's a ancient Portuguese secret there. I could tell you, but then I'd probably have to kill you. But oh shoot, I messed that one up, and I already told you. All right, there you go. We'll get you the full process, you know, from hunting, butchering, marinating to cooking here later on. I'll marinate it for a couple hours, and then we'll put that. So you'll see the whole process of taking the animal, processing the animal, marinating the animal, and then cooking and eating the animal. So we appreciate that that animal gave its life for us to sustain ourselves. Thank you. And now, the final chapter. The animal goes to the fire for cooking. Oh yeah, the yams are done. Perfect.
Yes, they are.
Just like you like. Let's see the steak. Nice and pink in the middle. That's tender.
Yes, tender.
Here's medium. Medium rare.
Good hunt today, dear.
Oh yeah, forgot about that part. From the hunt to the table. Oh my God, you can taste the marinade. I haven't even put in the A1 yet.
Oh, they're perfect.
All right, guys, that's dinner.
So.
Oh, the yams are yummy.